Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by getting the basics out of the way quickly. A flaky network breaks sync. First, confirm your internet is stable, open a web page or ping a site. Then close Steam fully, open Task Manager and end any Steam. EXE processes so nothing blocks file updates. Once done, right-click Steam and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam permission to write local cloud files. These steps remove the most common access and connectivity blockers before deeper fixes. Next, you force a fresh sync by toggling Steam Cloud for the affected game, turn it off, wait a moment, then re-enable it. This prompts a new upload or download. Make sure to verify integrity of game files via Properties right arrow local files. Corrupted files can block cloud updates. Clear download cache in Steam settings to remove stale metadata, then fully restart the client. If issues persist, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall rules. They can block Steam's cloud endpoints. Finally, verify local file permissions. Navigate to the game folder, right-click, Properties, Security, and give your user full control so Steam can modify saves. Once done, log out of Steam and reboot your PC. Logging back enforces fresh authentication with the cloud. If sync still fails, reinstall the Steam client without removing game data. This replaces a broken client while preserving games. If all else fails, back up your saves manually. Then contact Steam support with upload timestamps. One tip:
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.